In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gemini Advanced. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the upgrade smoothly, whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com/app. This is the official Gemini homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for your subscription. If you manage multiple accounts, double check the profile icon in the top corner so the upgrade applies to the right one. If you're on a phone or tablet, you can do the same thing in your mobile browser. Once you're on the Gemini page, look for the upgrade option. On desktop, it typically appears at the top right or in the sidebar. Click Upgrade to open the plan options. On some devices, or if your layout looks a little different, the button may be inside a menu. When the upgrade screen opens, you'll see information about getting Gemini Advanced. Gemini Advanced is included with the Google One AI Premium plan. This page will outline the features, price, and any trial offers that may be available in your region. Take a moment to review what's included so you know you're selecting the plan that unlocks the advanced capabilities you want. If you don't see the upgrade button right away, there's an alternate path. Open the menu, choose Settings and Help, and then tap or click Upgrade from there. Both paths lead to the same subscription flow, so use whichever shows up on your screen. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to subscribe to the Google One AI Premium plan. You'll be prompted to confirm your Google account, choose a billing option, and verify your payment method. Make sure your country and currency are correct, and review the terms before you confirm. The checkout steps may vary slightly depending on your region, but just continue through each prompt until you see confirmation that your subscription is active. After you complete the upgrade, return to the Gemini app page. You should now have access to Gemini advanced features associated with your plan. If you were signed in on multiple devices, you might need to refresh the page or relaunch the app for the change to appear. You can manage your subscription anytime through your Google account, subscriptions, or Google One settings. That's it. Go to gemini.google.com app, choose upgrade, or use settings and help, and then upgrade, and finish the on-screen steps to subscribe to Google One AI Premium. Enjoy exploring what Gemini Advanced can do for you.